is my new sketchbook, so open it up. There we go. It's a leuchtturm 1917 sketchbook. So it's exactly the same as my first leuchtturm 1917 sketchbook, which I'll get in a minute, but it's just a different colour. Right, so I've just found it out, which is exactly the same as this one. And I decided to get this one again because I just love how paper is. It's just, the paper's just white and it's thick enough to fit, I mean it's thick enough to like paint and draw, so yeah, I just decided to get the same one. So let's open it, if I can do it. That's probably not the best way of doing it. There we go. There we go. Right, so inside they provide, like, is this on autofocus or not? Here it is. Like little labels that you can peel off and stick. I don't know if you can see, it's like where you can like write your name and everything. Also provides a thank you card. And then just like a little detail thing about the sketchbook on the back. I like to cut this bit out here and save it. Because I can stick that on the inside of my sketchbook, so I always remember what type of book it is. And then this is just another leaflet all about the book itself. So you'll see that the paper's like just such a nice white colour, and I just love it. I just love this brand. I'm not sponsored to say this, but yeah, and it also comes with like a pocket in the back as well. So yeah, and it also comes with like the little leuchtturm 1917 engraved thing there. And this sketchbook also has a nice little, what's the word? Like a bookmark. This actually fell out on my last one, but that's only because I'd used it so much, but yeah. So this will be sketchbook number 11 once I've finished my other one, which won't be too long now. I'll show. So this is my 10th sketchbook, and I only have a couple pages left, so yep. Yeah, so I just thought I'd share a little unboxing video as a bonus video to let you know which sketchbook I'm using, and yeah. If you did enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up and comment below whether you've tried this sketchbook before or which sketchbook you're using, and yeah, subscribe for more, and as always, thank you so much for watching. Okay.